Sawadee ka.
Where you from?
I'm from India. Where are you
Wow.
from?
Philippines.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay, Philippines.
Wow, congratulations.
Salam.
It's an honor and responsibility to have you to know the mabuhay. Mabuhay, Pilipinas. Pilipinyo. Pilipinyo. Hello, madlang people. Mabuhay. Pilipinyo. Pilipinyo.
You've been here in India?
Yeah, I've been there before.
Oh, that's nice. Where in India?
Um, India, Injamutu, Injamutu.
Hi.
You should visit the Taj Mahal here. It is one of the nicest place here in India.
Yeah, Injamutu here, near of Genisa.
I'm sorry?
I've been there before. The place of a country of Injamutu.
In Jammu.
Yes, the near of Agenisa.
Oh, so you've been here for how many days? How many days you been here in India?
7 days only because I've been there in Jamoto, and then after the Injamoto, I've been there of Genisa, and then I travel a tok-tok. We ride to Maji, Sarap.
Wow, that's awesome.
Are
That's
you
awesome.
are you single right now, my friend?
Yes, I'm single.
Me and Maring Camille are single.
Wow, nice.
Have a blow up? Do you have a blow up? Blow up?
What's that?
Facebook?
No, I don't have
Facebook.
Facebook. I don't have Facebook. I only have Instagram.
What's
Oh, you're
up?
so rich. You use the Instagram.
Yes,
What's up?
I do have WhatsApp. I do have WhatsApp.
Are you
Well, me.
IT, information technology? Are you in the computer
No, I'll just
technology?
use that as my background because I am working from home. I'm working from home. But this is just the background. This is just my background. Not I'm not really an IT.
My
Oh,
friend.
it's not real. Yes. If you are visit in the Philippines,